This video will go over how to schedule an exam at the SDAC Test Center. Scheduling without completed agreements and exam dates. Navigate to the SDAC AIM portal and on the left side menu, click Alternative Testing. Scroll down to the Schedule an Exam section and select your course. If there is an asterisk next to your course, it means your professor has not completed their agreement. Click Schedule an Exam. Your instructor will be notified of your request, but please communicate with your professor about your exam request without a completed SDAC Test Center instructor agreement. Enter the type, date, time, and standard length of the exam without accommodations. Select the accommodations you need under Services Requested. Add any questions or additional notes you want to communicate with the test center. Agree to the terms and conditions. Scheduling with completed agreements and exam dates. When scheduling an exam this way, your professor will have selected exam dates for you under available exam dates. Select the accommodations you need under Services Requested. Agree to the terms and conditions. Add any questions or concerns you'd like to communicate with the test center. For additional assistance, contact us at test_center@csumb.edu.